Welcome back to my channel. This is Isa P.I. and you are watching On a Silver Budget. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing on my espresso machine. It's really easy. I think this is one of the easiest. It's beautiful and the price was right. Okay guys, this espresso machine comes fully assembled, which is a plus. And you will have, let me see, you will have this little booklet in there. You will have that pipe in there, and I will show you where to get it from, because once you receive it, you don't see that little pipe. It's almost like a syringe. That's what you're gonna use to flush your machine. This is what you will have to do. It doesn't come with that cup, of course. And one thing they don't tell you in that manual is to find this little pipe inside of this area. The whole thing that I was reading is just telling you to use the pipe, use this, use that to flush your coffee maker before you use it for the first time. And I was like, okay, where is the pipe? And since I'm a little bit curious, so I pulled this and I could not find the pipe. And I pulled this out and it was right inside of this. So if you buy one of this machine and they're telling you to use the pipe to flush the machine first, this is where you're gonna find it. Push it up and then pull it toward you, and then to put it back on, you just slide it in and it's locked. What I like with this machine, because for me it's safety first, there's a little suction cup right on the bottom of the machine to hold it over your counter so it doesn't slide. And what you're gonna do to flush this coffee maker is this. You're gonna pull this up, remove the water container, get the little pipe and insert it right there. Okay, once you insert your syringe there, you add the water into this and you will turn your machine on, which is on the other side of your coffee maker. Okay, before you turn the machine on, remember to add a cup, because you're gonna get the dirty water from this. This is how you turn this on, this machine on. You just go there, it's on the side, the power button is on the side, and once you have your water in to flush it, you're gonna put an empty cup here and you turn it on. For me it was like 4 or 5 cups before everything was clear. So you must do this. You can't skip that section, otherwise you're gonna have dirty coffee. And this is one of the features I really like about this coffee maker. If you have a low cup, you can lower the nozzle and then it'll go there, and as the cup is higher, you can go all the way up from this one, from this little thing, but you must push both of them. This machine is compatible with the Nespresso pod. This is where you're gonna add your pod. You have to pick it up And if you leave it like this, it's not gonna go because it's locked. And you have to go all the way up, and the area is empty. So you just follow the shape of it, drop it there, close it in. Okay, so we're gonna choose the second cup, and we should be having coffee soon. Hey, there you go. I'm having an espresso, a decaf espresso, which is right here. I might end up using my milk frother and add some milk to it because it's really strong. Okay, there it is. I'm going to add some milk into my coffee. So let me use my frother. This is my milk frother right there. I really like this little frother. It comes with 2 or 3 other, different heads, and we good to go right there. Okay, then I will add my milk. Ooh, looks good. And there you have it, guys. Okay, and I will be adding a little bit of cinnamon right there, and a great cup of coffee. Again, guys, this was the espresso machine from Nutrichef. It's really good, very easy to operate, and at a good price. I hope I inspired you to use something new at your kitchen. Enjoy your good cup of coffee. Thank you again for watching On a Silver Budget, guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend. Until next time, kiss kiss, bye bye. Bye y'all. Enjoy your coffee.